Okay. Hi guys, once again, there's another lot for sale here. This is 593 square meter beach line. Eto, yan siya. Yan ang dagat niya. Very clear talaga. Mostly more of pebbles siya. Ganon. Very clear ang dagat talaga. Yan. Tapos I let you see hanggang saan. So paakyat din siya konti. Slightly elevated siya. So yan yan sa unahan lang. Yan. So this is more of parang square siya konti, no? Maganda yung location, maganda yung pagkaplastada ng lote. Napakaganda talaga. So if you will gonna develop this into a private resort or commercialized resort na maliit, this is good enough. This is at least good enough. Yan. So makita mo dyan. Yan talaga dyan. Hanggang